Microsoft's new workplace check-in feature for Teams has officially rolled out, making it possible to update an employee's work location using Wi-Fi or other connections. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Microsoft Teams is used by 93 of the Fortune 100 companies, and its new workplace check-in tool is packaged as a feature that's supposed to make employees' lives easier by automatically checking them in once they get to work and connect to the company Wi-Fi. It'll reduce the need to manually update your status and let coworkers know they can hold in-person meetings with you. As much as Microsoft tries to push this update as a straightforward opt-in feature that can be so helpful for employees, there's an endless list of concerns regarding privacy and social surveillance in an age where return-to-office policies are suffocating the workforce. According to Microsoft's official documentation, the feature is an extension of the platform's existing online presence signal and Microsoft 365's working hour controls. The goal is to not only let workers see whether someone's available, but also where they're working from. Because if the IT team sets things up just right, your status won't just show you're in the office, but exactly what room or floor you're in. Microsoft swears this is not a monitoring tool and told Fortune that protecting employee privacy is at the core. And that may be true to a degree because admins have no reporting dashboard, no location logs, and no way to query where someone has been. Employees can also manually override or clear their location at any time, and the feature doesn't function outside of working hours. Even Microsoft's analysis classifies tracking a person's physical location and body movements as one of the most invasive methods of electronic performance monitoring. The biggest question right now isn't whether Microsoft built the feature with bad intentions, it's whether companies using it will find ways to abuse it. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.